Alright, man, we start the morning. We this is a continuation of the vlog. We got the Mac, we got Mike, we got me, we got 1J, we got fuck, why is my brain paused?
Your coworker.
I know, but your goddamn name. God,
Rocky.
Yeah, fuck. We were up till 5.
I got you now.
Jay finally showed up. Fuck. Okay, let's roll. Oh, we got Little King. Little King's here. Yeah. So, we're about to go hit this Cars and Coffee real quick.
And the do things today.
Yeah. So we'll let 1J lead.
Stepped in the game straight crippin'. New whip wood grain dipping.
It's been a minute since we've been to like a car meet. Last time.
I think Nicole was 1.
Yeah, no, because last time we met. Yeah.
Blood with the Hellcat was looking like. Hold on, what they got going on? Alright, it's an early morning. We had a late night. Only had a couple hours of sleep, but we up and out. I dumped a lot of the footage that we had from last night just so we can get out here this morning with clear SD cards. And whatever we may do. Jay, get ready, Jay. We've got Slow Boy, Touge Boy, Vacuum Boy, Supercharger Boy, and then we got the Crowd Killer Boy.
But he doesn't kill crowds.
No, but we learned that the stability control is programmed to kill people. On purpose. We're gonna drop a video on that very soon. Hopefully, we're not gonna drop a completion video of it today with it actually killing somebody.
It's a different scene, especially when you come to car meets like this. Like, just look how many people there is. You got people over there, up there. Yeah, you got mad people, right? But I mean, hey, it's cool because it's a whole lot of different variety of cars. Like, you got Mustangs, trucks, our cars, you know, there's a lot of different cars.
Man, whole gang. Sunday, it is a Sunday morning. We're up quite early. We out and about, just up and doing some things. Cars everywhere, all kind of varieties. We even got a bus. We got a row of FBI right here. This shit hard.
What you looking at, bro?
The R32 coming up right here. This shit clean.
Clean, bro. That's what I do, though.
Yeah, we went the way the Corvette's with. Let's all regroup. We're at the stoplight by Round Table at the Shell. Okay.
That's a whole lot of cars.
Hold on, I got everybody waiting on the side of the freeway. If y'all hurry the fuck up. Yo, hurry up. We just got on the freeway and we're sitting. Huh? Yeah. That's why I wanted everybody to pull over. These niggas pulling up like, what the hell? Get ready, Jay.
Look at my lights here.
Oh shit! Out of pocket. There they go.
Definitely a crazy Sunday
like
to give you the best content y'all need on this King KOE family. I don't know, that was kind of cringe.
That was alright. If you had a really minted, it would have sounded, you know what I'm saying?
But yeah, we're just trying to get
Look, they're lining up. Okay, definitely. Oh, misshifted. Absolutely outrageous day. We're chilling here in the parking lot now after a whole bunch of freeway pools. I'm trying to get more stuff on Mac's channel. I got a camera in there with him. He was getting all of the pools in car. There was some outrageous speeds that were being hit, which was dope. We got everybody. Look, the bald head one is here. He transferred all of his hair to his son. We out and about. He was riding on the Ducati with us yesterday, so he came through with his Kalina Rees. Damn, this thing is good. This thing is good. The fitment is perfect. What, front lip, side skirts, rear spoiler, and, or is that the factory front lip?
That's factory front.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's the boy. We had the bikes out yesterday, and today's about the cars. So we kind of did the same damn type of freeway riding that we did yesterday in the cars. Yeah. Hey, hold on, we was on the bikes yesterday. Y'all put that shit up. Damn, they out here.
They all together. God damn, that is a big ride.
Well,
We need to start doing.
what?
That look like Ron just went by on the jet.
I know, huh?
I need to learn how to pop some wheelies so I can be out here.
Damn.
Mike
Well,
Bike on, new name, Mike Bike on one wheel or some shit.
Mike Bike on one wheel.
Hey, mountain bike. Film it.
No, nigga.
See, this would be a cool little place to just fly through.
Have I ever taken you through the back roads before?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Oh, interesting. This is where I raised your mama at. I'm trying to avoid bumps.
I can see.
It's been a long time since I've driven canyons. Ridden them, yeah, but driven them, shit, bro.
A minute.
Oh, dude, it's been a long time. So this is where we used to have our bike nights. So we used to come up from Charlie Chan's. We go the same 98th up Eggenberg. Matter of fact, we just come up Eggenberg, then shoot over.
Look at that view.
Yeah, up top of Oakland. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
back
why
to
it's
what you're
called
saying.
Skyline.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
So, yeah, we would dip back through and just smash through it. And we end up over there by Alex Chan's house on 35th. This nigga ride. I'm trying to watch his car to see if there's any dips in the road.
Yeah, that's why he's staying far back.
Yeah, so I'm sitting back a little bit, yeah, so I can see his actual car motion. Because I do not remember these roads. Oh, bottom down. Look at Justin behind us in the 1J. I know if I'm bottoming out, he's got to be bottoming. A quiet boy.
Yeah, real quiet boy.
There's a
Middle.
tree root or something somewhere over here. Whoa, we caught all kind of fender rubbish.
Them trash cans was pretty close.
Yes, we're in somebody's neighborhood.
Yeah.
This is their front door.
Yep, and we're just riding all through it.
Yeah, we are.
Just think if this was like a MotoGP track.
We used to make it look like a MotoGP track when we was riding bikes. It was out of pocket when we went into this.
He said out of
It
pocket.
was out of pocket when we was in fire's department, so we kind of respect their game.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah.
Accidentally,
That's a slow order right there. We
Yeah.
roll it slow and then pick back up.
Yep, Justin's right there behind us too. People probably.
Oh my God! That was so much frame, cuz. Oh my God. No, it hit right under me. So that was all frame. I'm sure Justin caught some of that. Good God. This is low boy shit, man.
It's nothing that a side skirt can't
Oh
cover
my
up.
God. No, that's why I kept factory side skirts.
That's yeah. People probably looking. Where did Justin go?
They're right there.
Oh, yes.
Jesus Christ, I bottomed out crazy. I bottomed out like mad.
I hear it. I keep thinking it's me. 'Cause I keep hearing shush.
That's me. See what I'm saying? I gotta raise him up, man.
Hell yeah. That was the smoothest shit you gonna get.
Another Mazda. Gotta really apply that brake.
Oh, we're supposed to go. Yeah, down this way. Yo. Oh, okay.
His battery disconnected.
Okay, his battery disconnected. Pull over.
Yeah, let's check out
What happened? Well, we know what happened, but
Whew, if y'all can feel how hot this is right here.
Bro, frame. Black. Black. Amen. Now we're just gonna head right down. Right here.
cracked it.
It's been cracked. It broke off in front of the house. Yeah, we both. Because it was so smooth. No, it was so smooth looking. I was just like, we mobbing.
But it was a jump.
There was some bump.
It's been so fucking long.
Yeah, but that, see,
That's why we need to use these cars for this kind of shit. Because even though it's set up for drift, wasn't it good? Didn't it go good?
Not all. You hear all the scrumming?
He's hearing
I
my
thought it
shit
was
the
me.
whole
I was like,
time.
my brakes are rubbing or something. And it
No,
was
it's me just.
dude. That's why I said, remember, I was tired of the bullshit. That's why I said I'm clearing shit.
That's
Fuck
why I
that.
left it stock height.
You don't
But
have
we
to-
gotta
you
put
don't have to do
spacers
that.
on that. We gotta put spacers on that.
I need wide on that.
Dad, I'll see you. Damn.
How you feel?
And when we jumped, I was like, oh shit. I was trying to record, I almost dropped my phone out the window.
Alright, so we're gonna head back towards Richmond. So yeah, we'll link. He had just called me. He was like, "What y'all doing?" But we'll do it again next weekend.
We should all go and